Here's exactly what we check and what we fix. This is video 3 in EPC Group's Copilot Security series. Step 1. Discovery. We scan your entire Microsoft 365 tenant, SharePoint, Teams, OneDrive, Exchange, Enter ID. We map every permission, every sharing link, every guest user, every access point. Step 2. Risk. We identify overshared sites, broken permissions, DLP gaps, unsecured data that Copilot can access. Step 3. Executive report. What Copilot can see, what it shouldn't, and exactly what it exposes by business unit. Not just a 47-page report. Actionable intelligence your team can implement immediately to secure your environment. Step 4. Remediation. We fix it, permissions, labels, policies, conditional access, Intune compliance. Because if Copilot is enabled, this risk already exists. EPC Group. 700 plus tenants secured. 29 years. 5,200 plus Microsoft implementations. G2 leader. Net Promoter Score 100. Start with the Copilot Security Review. Contact EPC Group at contact@epcgroup.net. Or call us at 888-381-9725, epcgroup.net. Unless you feel comfortable that your CRM, HR data, and core IP will soon be on its way to China,